Welcome back to Motor Nation USA, the home of innovation, performance, and the latest updates from the world of automobiles. If you're a fan of rugged SUVs that combine power, reliability, and sophistication, today's video is just for you. We're diving deep into the all-new Mitsubishi Pajero 2025, a legendary nameplate that's backed with a bang. From its muscular design to cutting-edge technology and unstoppable off-road capabilities, this SUV promises to redefine what adventure really means. So sit back, relax, and let's explore what makes the 2025 Pajero a beast reborn. The Pajero has always been known for its commanding presence and powerful performance. But Mitsubishi has taken things to a whole new level in 2025. The design philosophy of this SUV blends heritage with modern innovation. The first thing that catches your attention is its bold front fascia. The signature dynamic shield grille has been reimagined with sharper lines, sleek chrome detailing, and aggressive LED matrix headlights that give it a confident and futuristic stance. The sculpted bonnet, muscular fenders, and blacked-out cladding enhance the overall rugged appeal. Whether you're on a highway or deep in the wilderness, the Pajero looks ready for anything. From the side profile, the Pajero 2025 maintains its classic boxy shape but with a more aerodynamic touch. The smooth character lines flow beautifully across the body, while the 20-inch alloy wheels add a sense of dominance. The rear end is equally impressive with modern LED taillights, a bold Pajero badge, and a redesigned tailgate that opens wide for practicality. The roof rails, side steps, and panoramic sunroof highlight the perfect balance between style and utility. When you step inside the Pajero 2025, you'll notice an immediate transformation from rugged to refined. The cabin is designed to offer premium comfort and advanced functionality. The soft-touch materials, brushed aluminum accents, and ambient lighting elevate the interior experience. Mitsubishi has integrated a large 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system powered by the latest Smart Connect OS, supporting wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The 12-speaker Rockford Fosgate sound system ensures a crisp audio experience, turning every drive into a concert on wheels. The instrument cluster has gone fully digital, offering customizable themes and real-time driving data. The seats are plush, ventilated, and wrapped in premium leather. Both front and second-row passengers get ample legroom and headroom, and the third row now offers more space than before, making it a true family SUV. The dual-zone automatic climate control, wireless charging pad, and multiple USB-C ports make long trips effortless. And yes, the new Pajero also features ambient mood lighting, customizable through the infotainment screen, perfect for setting the tone during night drives. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The Mitsubishi Pajero 2025 offers two powertrain options depending on the market. The first is a 2.4-liter turbocharged diesel engine producing around 200 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. For those who prefer petrol power, there's a 3.5-liter V6 gasoline engine that delivers approximately 280 horsepower and 350 Nm of torque. Mitsubishi has also hinted at a plug-in hybrid variant under development, which could launch later in select regions. No matter which engine you choose, the Pajero ensures strong performance and smooth power delivery. Of course, the Pajero has always been about off-road dominance, and the 2025 model is no exception. It comes equipped with Mitsubishi's latest Super Select 4WD2 system, allowing drivers to switch between multiple drive modes including 2H, 4H, 4HLC, and 4LLC for maximum traction on different terrains. Add to that hill descent control, terrain response settings, and a ground clearance of over 230 mm, and you've got a vehicle that laughs at challenges. Whether it's snow, sand, or rocky trails, the Pajero remains unstoppable. For city driving, the Pajero offers adaptive suspension technology that adjusts damping based on road conditions, providing both comfort and stability. The steering is light yet precise, and visibility has been improved thanks to a redesigned A-pillar and a 360-degree camera system. Driving this SUV feels commanding yet surprisingly easy, even in tight urban spaces. Safety, as always, is a top priority for Mitsubishi. The Pajero 2025 is packed with the latest safety technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, forward collision mitigation with pedestrian detection, blind spot warning, rear cross-traffic alert, and a driver attention monitor. The reinforced body structure with high-tensile steel ensures maximum protection, while the advanced airbag system covers every seating position. It's an SUV built not only for performance but for peace of mind. One of the most exciting aspects of the Pajero 2025 is its digital connectivity. The vehicle can connect to Mitsubishi's mobile app, allowing you to control key functions remotely, such as climate preconditioning, door locks, and even vehicle tracking. The over-the-air software update system ensures your SUV stays up to date with the latest features and performance tweaks. It's a clear sign that Mitsubishi is embracing the future while staying true to the Pajero's legendary past. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the diesel variant offers around 12 to 14 kilometers per liter, depending on driving conditions, while the petrol model delivers about 10 to 12 kilometers per liter. The hybrid version, once launched, is expected to improve these figures significantly, making the Pajero both powerful and practical for long journeys. On the road, the Pajero 2025 feels solid, balanced, and composed. The improved chassis and suspension geometry ensure reduced body roll and superior handling. The acceleration is smooth, and the noise insulation has been upgraded, keeping the cabin quiet even at highway speeds. The transmission shifts seamlessly, making both off-road and city drives equally comfortable. From an ownership perspective, Mitsubishi has improved the overall service network and spare parts availability, ensuring lower maintenance costs and better after-sales support. The Pajero's long-standing reputation for durability and reliability continues in this new generation. So, who is the 2025 Pajero for? It's perfect for families who love weekend getaways, adventure seekers who explore beyond the map, and professionals who want an SUV that looks premium yet performs like a beast. Whether you're cruising through city streets or climbing rugged mountain paths, the Pajero 2025 adapts effortlessly. Pricing will vary depending on region and variant, but experts expect it to start around $45,000 and go up to $65,000 for the top spec model. Given the amount of technology, performance, and luxury it offers, that price feels justified. Mitsubishi has clearly listened to its fans and delivered a vehicle that honors its roots while stepping confidently into the future. In summary, the Mitsubishi Pajero 2025 is not just a comeback, it's a statement. It's bold, advanced, and capable of taking on any challenge with confidence. It represents Mitsubishi's renewed commitment to building vehicles that stand for adventure, endurance, and innovation. The Pajero legacy lives on stronger than ever. If you're looking for a full-size SUV that can handle the city and the wild with equal ease, the Pajero 2025 deserves your attention. It's built to perform, designed to impress, and engineered to last. Thank you for watching Motor Nation USA. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Mitsubishi Pajero 2025, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more detailed reviews, comparisons, and automotive insights. Stay tuned as we bring you the latest updates from the world of cars, from luxury cruisers to rugged off-roaders. Until next time, drive safe, stay curious, and keep exploring with Motor Nation USA. The rear design of the Mitsubishi Pajero 2025 stands bold and powerful. Sleek LED taillights stretch across the tailgate, giving it a modern and dynamic look. The large Pajero badge sits proudly at the center, while the sculpted bumper and chrome accents add a touch of sophistication. With a wide stance and sporty finish, the backside truly completes its commanding SUV presence.